If you have any back pain, hip pain, knee pain, feet or ankle pain, it's not because you're getting old. It's a sign of compression and misalignment. Today, I'm going to talk specifically about back pain and what you can do to eliminate the pain. The Goata system does exactly that. Eliminates the pain, decompresses your joints, and creates space in your system. Rebuilding starts from the ground up. One of the most important interactions of the body is the foot and ankle interaction. Groundwork 101 will help you decompress the ankles, open up the hips, and strengthen your feet, improve balance, and elevate the spine. Here's two of my favorite movements. There's two, one movement and one resting posture, from the Groundwork series to help you, guess what? Eliminate pain and decompress. Number one is called the child walker. Number two is the Seiza sit position. You may have noticed babies and children using this movement and postures while on the floor or in between crawlings. Groundwork is the first step to become pain-free and move better. Send me a DM to schedule a consult and follow me for more videos and posts about the Goata recode process.